82 number. Adnan, start the recording, please. Okay. 82 number, it is f of x is x square plus 1. Okay. Given f of x is x square plus 1. At first, we have to find out the inverse function. At first, we have to find out the inverse function. Then we have to find out f inverse tan, f inverse 0, and f inverse an interval is given. Anyway, I am inverse function. Okay, f of x is x square plus 1. So we have to let y is f of x. So x is nothing but f inverse y. Okay, y is f of x, so x is nothing but f inverse y. Anyway, now it is y is equal to x square plus 1. So that means it is x square is equal to y minus 1. X is equal to plus minus square root of y minus 1. As we consider y is function of x and we add x is f inverse y. So instead of x, we can write it is f inverse y. Okay, so it is f inverse y is equal to plus minus square root of y minus 1. So f inverse x is plus minus square root of x minus 1. Okay, plus minus square root of x minus 1. Okay, we find out the find out f inverse x. Okay, we find out f inverse x. Now we have to find out the others. That means f inverse 10, f inverse 25, and other interval. Anyway, at first we are finding out f inverse x, and f inverse x is nothing but plus minus square root of x minus 1. Okay, I am erasing it. The first part. Now it is f inverse 10. Okay, so what will be f inverse 10? F inverse 10 is just instead of x you have to put 10. Okay, instead of x you have to put 10. So it will be like this: plus minus 10 minus 1 is equal to plus minus, that means it is plus minus 3. Okay, and f inverse 9.
Check your personal inbox are in Viber.
Oh yes, I get it. F inverse 0. Thank you.
Sir,
And very
sir,
yes, Antor.
sir, please check your inbox.
Yes. I will
Thank you,
check
sir.
it. Okay, and I will also see you very shortly. Okay, I am coming to the college. So. Okay, it is plus minus square root of minus 1. So what is the square root of minus 1? Can anyone tell me?
Minus 1.
Okay, I am coming within 1 minute. I think lighting. Okay, maybe now I am visible clearly, right? Anyway, so we get f inverse 0 is plus minus square root of minus 1. So what will be the answer? Actually, plus minus square root of minus 1. So what is okay, just forget about the plus minus. You tell me about square root of minus 1. So what is square root of minus 1? Can anyone tell me? What is the value of the square root of minus 1? No one here. We can say what is the square root of minus 1 is
Complex number.
complex number. Yes, complex number. Okay, it is complex number or imaginary number. Okay, so that's why we have not learned complex number yet. Okay, that's why we don't need to utilize any concept. Okay, regarding this, we just ignore it. If we get before learning the chapter complex number, if we get the square root of minus something, we just avoid. Okay, we will just avoid it. Okay, so it is imaginary. That means it is not our target. So that means f inverse 0, the value will be imaginary. Okay, f inverse 0, the value will be imaginary. Okay, now if another thing, it is you have to find out f inverse is 10 to 26. Okay, so actually an interval is given. Okay, an interval is given. That's why we should not. Okay, we should not solve this problem. Okay, by the traditional way, we have to think differently. Okay, we have to think differently. Okay, we have to let x element of f inverse. That means this is interval. Okay, bracket 10 to 26. Can anyone say what does it mean? Third bracket includes the third bracket. It is 10, 26. So 10 and 26 is enclosed by a third bracket. So what does it mean? Can anyone tell me? Anyone here who can tell me? Who can answer me? 10 and 26, it is enclosed by a first bracket. What does it mean? Okay, so that means it is 10 to 26. Okay, all 10 and 26 and all the numbers between 10 and 26. Okay, 10 and 26, it is enclosed by third bracket. It is mean all the number, okay, between 10 and 26. Okay, all the number between 10 and 26. All the number between 10 and 26. Okay, so it is mean that. Okay, all the numbers between 10 and 26. Anyway, so it's matter of third bracket. Okay, x we are considering x is the number which belongs to f inverse 10 to 26. Okay, anyway. So it is implies f of x is nothing but element of 10 to 26. So what is the f of x is element of 10 to 26. Okay, so here lowest value of f of x or x square plus 1 is 10 and highest value of x square plus 1 is 26. Okay, lowest value of f of x is or x square plus 1 is 10 and highest value is 26. Okay, highest value is 26. So now Okay, I begin for disruption. It is we are subtracting 1 from both sides, all sides actually. It is 26 minus 1. So it will be 9 is less than x square is less than 25. Okay, so here if we take the square root in both sides, okay, so 9 will be plus minus 3, okay, and 25 will be plus minus 5. So we can make a relation like this. Three is less than or equal to x, less than or equal to 5, or minus 3 is greater than or equal to x and greater than or equal to minus 5. Okay. Okay. Please finish it. If you have any query, please ask me. Okay, finish it quickly. Any query? Okay, maybe not. That means I can proceed further. Finished, everyone? Adnan?
Yes, sir.
Okay, finished.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, dear. So, uh, okay, if any interval is given, okay, then your system of solution will be different. Okay, so just follow this process for each and every interval. Okay, f inverse different the value is enclosed by the interval of f inverse, then you have to follow this procedure. Okay, you have to consider x is an element of f inverse of this interval, and then you have to proceed. Okay. Anyway, so today I am showing you some sketch. Okay, so you also sketch so many graphs in your school classes, 8, 9, 10, even 7 also maybe. So actually sketching is almost same. Okay, sketching is almost same, but here you have a benefit, which is you don't need to explain more. Okay, you don't need to explain more. You have to just find out the values and put the values in on the graph. That means plot the points. Okay. You no need to explain. Okay. You no need to explain. You just have to show the calculation. Okay. But resting a same. Okay. And you also give some comments about the figure. Okay. About the figure or the sketch. Okay. You have to give some comments. Okay. You will learn it today. What you have to tell. Okay. What you have to tell. So I am showing you some graphs. Okay. I am showing you some graphs. It is 12 number. 12 number. It is y is equal to absolute value of x minus 3. Okay. Absolute value of x minus 3. So in your previous classes, what you have read. Draw the table. Okay. Draw the table. No need to explain. Okay. No need to explain anything. Just draw the table. It is x and it is y. Yes, you are considering some values of x and finding out the values of y. Okay. So x, say for example, value of x is minus 5. So what will be the value of x minus 3? Absolute value of x minus 3. Can you tell me, Samin? Samin, yes, sir.
जी sir.
Okay. You are putting the value of x is minus 5.
Sir,
So what will be
8
the value
হবে.
of y? 8 plus 8
8.
or minus 8?
আচ্ছা sir plus 8.
8. Just 8. Actually, it is absolute value, and we have the concept of absolute value.
sir মডুলাস আছে দেখে প্লাস হবে.
Always positive. Okay, yes, in the second part, we have also a chapter on this regarding absolute value. Okay, some of them. Minus 5 and considering another one, it is minus 1, minus 1. If it is minus 1, it will be 4. Okay, if it is 3, we will get 0. If it is 5, we will get 2. If it is 10, we will get 7. Okay, so even here the points are minus 5, minus 1, 4, 3, 0, 5, 2, 10, 7. You know it to write. Okay, you know it to write. You just plot on the graph. Okay, on the graph. Just এত কথা বলার সময় নেই, বড় হয়ে গেছে কাজ হবে, তাই না? তো কথা বলার দরকার নেই. Just you have to draw the table and sketch the graph, and then you have to throw some comments. Okay, throw some comments about the graph. Okay, so here it is minus 5a. Okay, minus 5a. Okay, we are you have to use the graph. Okay, you have to use the graph, and it is minus 5a. So for example, it is minus 5a, minus 1, 4. It is there 3, 0. We're just considering 5, 2 and 10, 7. Okay, so if we join the points, it will be like this. And yes, we can do it. It is minus 5a, it is minus 1, 4, it is 3, 0, it is 5, 2, and it is 10, 7. Okay, we can show it, no problem. We can show the points. So anyway, look at the graph. You have to give some comments. Comments is not like looking beautiful, okay, cute, awesome, not like this. You have to give the comments mathematical. Okay. Okay, it is the characteristic of the graph. Characteristic, you just write characteristic. characters. First of all, আচ্ছা একটু সোজা বাংলায় বলি, এখানে কয়টা লাইন থাকতে পারে? আর কি কোনো লাইন আসতে পারে other than this line and this line? Is it possible to get any other lines other than these two lines?
Sir, Sahel 164 present.
165.
Sir, Arham
Arham 168, 165 present.
sir, 164 or 165 present.
Okay, so they are the characteristic. Okay, they are the characteristic. It is consist of two lines. Okay, you never get more than you have to. Okay, you have to give comments. Okay, how many lines it could be, and even then it could be a curved line. Okay, you have to mention. So, for example, if the figure it is expressing a curved line, you have to write it is a curved line. Okay, and if it is only one straight line, you have to mention it is a straight line. And here it is consist of two straight lines. That's why we write it is consist of two lines. Okay, and also in which point or and when the value of x, okay, it touches x-axis. Okay, so it touches x-axis when x is equal to 3. We are mentioning it. Okay, if it doesn't touch x-axis, then you have to mention it. Okay, it doesn't touch x-axis. Hey, unknown join Adnan Faiz, okay, একদম আউট করে দাও একেবারে, যাতে মিটিং এ জীবনেও না ঢুকতে পারে। ওকে, আদনান
Sir, 9 to.
9, আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, একটু খেয়াল রাখবেন। আবার জয়েন করছেন, ভালো হবে। Okay, it has no value below x-axis. Okay, it has no value below x-axis. একটু ক্লাসের সাথে সাথে একটু পার্টিসিপেন্টস এর দিকে তাকাবা, আননোন জয়েন করলে ওরে দেখো, ঠিক আছে? গাইস জয়েন করতে আসছে এটা। It has no value below x-axis. That means below x-axis.
Sir, শুরু করেন।
Okay, so it is the solution. So that means forming graph, which is very easy now. Okay, forming graph, it is very easy now because you don't need to write more things. Okay, let x or x prime is x-axis, y or y prime is x-axis, considering 1 unit of x-axis is 4. Coming to these topics, okay, these topics. Anyway, I am showing you another one. It is y is equal to 2 to the power x. Okay, it is y is equal to 2 to the power x. Okay, it's maybe 12. 12 to 12, 6. It is 12, 6. 12, 6. It is y is equal to 2 to the power x. Okay. So for different values of x, you have to find out different values of y. Okay. So here x is x and y. So if x is equal to -1, then it will be 2 inverse 1, that means 1 by 2, ultimately it is 0.5. Okay. If it is 0, then you will get it is 1. Okay. If it is 1, it will be 2. If it is 2, it will be 4. If it is 3, it will be 9. Okay. If it is 3, it will be 9. So for -1, it is 0.5. Okay. So if we put -2, then it will be 0.25, positive 0.25. So any value here, common sense কি বলে? Sin
স্যার রিপিট করতে পারবেন একটু কি বললেন?
আচ্ছা, x এর কোনো ভ্যালুর জন্য
ইয়েস স্যার।
আমরা y কে নেগেটিভ পাবো, মানে এরকম কি x এর কোনো ভ্যালু আছে যেটার জন্য y টা নেগেটিভ হবে?
না তো মনে হয়
বলো
স্যার, মনে হয় না
বুঝলে।
স্যার, আসবে না মেবি নেগেটিভ এর আসা কথা না।
ওকে, আসবে না মেবি বলে তো জিনিসটা হচ্ছে না, আসবে না।
স্যার মেনলি জানি না।
Because if we put x equal to say for example 10,000, okay, minus 10,000. Say for example we are putting x is equal to minus 10,000. So y will be 2 inverse 10,000. Okay, 2 inverse 10,000. So that means, what does it mean? It is mean 1 divided by 2 to the power 10,000. Okay, it is not a negative term. Okay, we will get very little values. Okay, but positive, little positive values, but we will never get the negative values. Okay. So anyway, we are drawing the graph. You must use the graph paper. Okay, you must use the graph paper. It is 0.5, minus 1.5, minus 1.5. So for example, it is this 0, 1. 0, 1 is this. Okay, and then 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 4. Okay, 3, 9. 3, 9 is 2, 4. Anyway, আমরা একটু টেবিলটাকে হাইড করে লিখবা। It will be like this. Okay, so the graph, okay, it will not touch it will not touch x-axis, okay? It will not touch x-axis because we will get for minus 10,000, for minus 1 we get 0.5, for minus 10,000 we get 0.0000 anyway, but not 0, okay? Yes, we get 0 in when x equal to negative infinity, okay? X will be negative infinity. So if it is negative infinity, then it is 1 by 2 for infinity, that means 0. Okay, so we will get y equal to 0 in negative infinity of x. Okay. Anyway, you have to put the axis x prime and y prime. Anyway, we are writing characteristics. So characteristics is not about the okay, characteristic. First of all, it is not a straight line, it is a curved line. Okay? It is a curved line. It is a curved line. Number 2, it touches x-axis at x equal to negative infinity. Okay? At x equal to negative infinity. And number 3, yes, again, as y has no negative values, so that means this graph, the graph has no existence below x-axis. Okay, the graph has no existence below x-axis. Okay, we can write it is it has no existence below x-axis. It has no existence. It has no existence below x-axis. Okay, below x-axis. It is the answer. Okay, it has no existence below x-axis.